Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Vijay Lakshmi. Today we are going to discuss about module 2, that is Django templates and models. So Django templates. So you will get a question on this. Separating the design of a page from a Python code enhances both cleanliness and maintainability. So Django's template system allows us to achieve this separation by keeping HTML and Python code distinct. So we have to separately create one HTML file using Django template, and Python code is separate. So in Django, Python code resides in views while HTML is handled in templates. Then the render function and Django template language are used to connect these two components, integrating the dynamic content generated by Python with a static layout defined in the HTML templates. So coming for the template system basics, so here we are creating two separate files here. One is to store the HTML code and another one is to store the Python code. So Python code always will be in the views, okay, and HTML code will be in the Django template. So now a Django template is nothing but it is a string of text that is intended to separate the presentation of a document from its data. A template defines placeholders and various bits of basic logic, that is template tags that regulate how the document should be displayed. Usually templates are used for producing HTML, but Django templates are equally capable of generating any text-based format. So here it includes Django templates includes a set of strings of text. So for example, you can see here how we are going to write the HTML code in a Django template. So here we are creating the page by title my page, and here what are the variables we want to display? We want to display the name, age and the city. And here the template makes use of a dictionaries. Okay, the template we can see here two square brackets here, flower brackets. Okay, so this is nothing but whenever we are using a Django template, here the dictionary is represented in this format to represent the string of the dictionary. So dictionary has what? It is a key value pair. Dictionary consists of attributes of key value pairs. So here keys, hello, age and city, name, age and city are the values, attribute values, what we are going to give in the Python code there. Okay, so this is the template what we are going to create. Now, using the template system, first what we do, we create a template object by providing the raw template code as the string, like how we have done here. Then Django also offers a way to create template objects by designing the path to a template file on the file system. Now we call the render method of the template object with a given set of variables. So here that variables are called as context. Context is nothing but the dictionary itself. Okay, we are going to use the dictionary itself. Context itself is called as a dictionary here. Then this returns a fully rendered template as a string with all of the variables and block tags evaluated according to the context. So here context is nothing but the dictionary what we see in the Python. So with the help of context only, the render function will provide a dictionary where the keys represent variable names that will be used in the template and the values are the data to be displayed. Okay guys, so now we are going to see one example, that is creating template objects and rendering a template. So already we discussed this. Mainly dictionaries are used in various aspects of web development in Django, particularly when passing data between the views and the templates. So here's a breakdown of how dictionaries are utilized in the Django. An example here given. So when rendering a template from a view, we often need to pass data to the template. So how to pass the data to the template? This is achieved using the dictionaries. So in Django's render function provide a dictionary where the keys represent variable names that will be used in the template and the values are the data to be displayed. So to write a render function, we have to in Python we are going to write this from Django.shortcuts import render. So this is a function written here, define my view of request, context equal to what? So we have used here the variables name, age and the city. Okay. So and the values are here Alice, 30 and New York are the values. So template class now return render request of my template.html and the context. So my template.html file already we have written the code like this to retrieve the attribute values. How actually the string should look like already we have given here using the dictionary. So template class is available in Django.template module. The easiest way to create a template object is to instantiate it directly. So the constructor of template class takes one argument, that is the raw template code. Okay guys, so now here in the shell type the following command, that is to understand the template and the context. One more example I have taken here from from Django.template import template comma context, and the object t is equal to template of my name is, so the string is written in flower brackets here like this. So the string, that is the name. Okay, and it fetches the dictionary value for this name, and c equal to context, name is Stephen. Okay, context is the dictionary. So the items here has a key value pair here. Key is the name and value is the Stephen. And we are using the render function here for this template. We are that is t dot render of c. So here it will display my name is Stephen for this string, template string. Okay, so we get the output like this. We get the my name is Stephen. So this is a single context we have used. Even we can make use of multiple contexts with the same template. So once our template object is ready, that is t equal to template hello name. So in the shell prompt you have to type this one, and see here I am using the dictionary here. Print t dot render context name John, and this for the same template render context name Julie. So here you can print both the names. Okay, so you will get the output as hello John, hello Julie, like that. So here it's more efficient to create the template object once and then call render on multiple times. Okay, and this is an example for name in John and Julie Pat. We should not follow this method. T equal to template of hello name and print t dot render context of name. This is a bad programming practice. So good is t equal to template. First the template should come, then use a for loop to once the template is defined. So you can render the names of this for the variable name. Okay, so you'll get the result like this. So this is a good programming practice compared to this. Hope you have understood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And in the next video I'm going to discuss some more topics of the template variables.